Welcome to my channel. Canon G4780 Mobile Printing Wi-Fi Setup Guide. Step 1. Unbox the printer, remove all tapes, protective covers, and packing materials from the Canon G4780 printer carefully. Step 2. Fill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank covers and fill each color ink bottle in the correct slot without mixing colors. Step 3. Plug in and power on. Connect the power cable and press the power button to turn on the printer. Step 4. Install printer heads. Open the printer cover and install the print heads properly into their correct positions. Step 5. Load paper. Insert A4 paper into the rear paper tray and adjust the paper guides correctly. Step 6. Open Wi-Fi settings. On the printer screen, go to Wireless LAN Setup and select your Wi-Fi network name. Step 7. Connect to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and wait until the printer connects successfully. Step 8. Install Canon Print app. Download the Canon Print app on your Android or iPhone from the App Store. Step 9. Add printer to mobile. Open the app, tap Add Printer, and select your Canon G4780 printer from the device list. Step 10. Print from your phone. Open any photo or document on your mobile phone and tap Print to start wireless printing instantly. Thanks for watching.